In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use bill pay in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to set up bill pay, enter a bill, schedule a payment, and track its status all inside QuickBooks Online, so you can pay vendors accurately and on time. Let's start with setup. After you log in, head to Expenses, then Bills. If you haven't turned on bill pay yet, you'll see an option to set up online bill pay. Follow the prompts to enter your business details, connect your bank account, and complete identity verification. Have your legal business information and bank login ready to keep things smooth. Approval typically takes 1 to 2 business days. While you wait, you can still enter bills. You just won't be able to pay them until approval comes through. Next, let's enter a bill. From the main screen, select the plus icon labeled New, then choose Bill. Pick the vendor from your list, then fill in the bill date, due date, total amount, and the expense category you want the cost to post to. The category is the account on your chart of accounts that reflects what the bill is for, such as utilities, office supplies, or subcontractors. If you're unsure, use the same category you've used for similar expenses in the past or confirm with your accountant. Double check the due date and amount against the vendor's invoice to avoid late fees or overpayments, then click Save and Close. Now let's schedule the online payment. Open the unpaid bill you just created and select Schedule Payment. Choose how you want to pay. ACH, which is a bank transfer, or a check that QuickBooks will mail on your behalf. Pick the payment date that makes sense for your cash flow and the bill's due date. Review any applicable fees before confirming. ACH is often faster and lower cost, while a mail check can take longer, so plan accordingly. If paying by check, make sure the vendor's mailing address in your records is current. When everything looks good, click Schedule Payment to finalize. Finally, tracking is simple. Go back to Expenses, then Bills, to see each bill's status at a glance. You'll notice labels like Scheduled, Processing, and Paid. QuickBooks updates these automatically as payments move through the system. If you open a bill, you can see its latest details and timing. Keep in mind that processing can span business days, especially around weekends or holidays, so give it a little time to update. That's it. Set up bill pay, enter your bill, schedule the payment, and monitor the status, all in one place. Follow these steps consistently